monetary exchange of millions. They just have that thought about it, you know? But I'm telling you, it's a good way to start investing.
No, I can't do it to you like that.
You have to wake up. Yeah. Listen. I like the ways to invest, my brother. I like the ways.
Honey,
Yes.
have you seen the Pepper Lights?
Yeah.
Honey, cheer up, man. Let's go.
Huh?
You gonna help me look for it?
Alright, Jake, listen. We'll talk more later, alright? Yes, my brother.
Oh, I found them, honey.
Ah, Margaret. You and these damn pepper lights.
You gonna help me? Honey, cheer up, man. You hate Christmas this much. Cheer up, man.
Okay, let me help you.
Oh,
Ah. These pepper lights, when they turn on, you know they shine bright like? They shine bright like you know?
oh
Your
honey.
pretty, beautiful eyes.
Oh,
I'm telling you.
honey.
Yes,
Why
Margaret.
does it look like it's not going to work? I just like it. Look, I don't like it. Look, you know.
Margaret, so how you pull off? Isn't this a new pepper light you bought?
Yes.
I tell you, in Christmas, you know, a lot of things always go bad. Some I just don't know what about the season.
So okay, let's test it out. And stop with that attitude of yours.
What attitude, Margaret? Is that your phone?
Yes. You know, it's the alarm because we need to organize our time to leave. Remember, we have to go and have dinner.
Oh, with your grandma for real.
Yes. Honey, why is it not working? It's not working.
Here's tangle up a bit. Margaret.
Honey, we have a few
For some reason-
hours.
Huh?
Let's hurry up. We have a few hours. Why you not wearing your hat? Come on.
Margaret, you want this damn hat? I don't like this hat. This.
Just stop, honey. Look how handsome you look.
You really
Stop.
think I look handsome?
You know you always look handsome to me.
Ah, Margaret.
No, man, it doesn't work, honey.
It's not like that.
I
Margaret.
can't deal with this, you know.
So Margaret, you mean to tell me you bought pepper lights that are not pepper enough?
Honey, just stop. Can you stop? It's not working. I'm going to put it in the storeroom, alright? It's not working.
Cookies and milk taste nice.
I'm glad you love it, honey.
Now I see why Santa Claus loves dealing in people's houses at night time. Take away people in milk.
Why you have to think about a negative thing? Huh?
Margaret, I'm not being negative.
You need to stop though.
Margaret, I'm not being negative. I just do not like Christmas.
You keep on leaving your stuff all over the place and I feel that we have to go.
Alright, I'm gonna be more tidy, Margaret.
Honey, we have few hours to go.
I can
Can
hypnotize you
you
with my
hurry?
milk. I can hypnotize you with my milk.
We have a few hours. Can you hurry up?
The cookies are sweet.
Oh my god.
People that send me Merry Christmas. Me hot under this, man. Heat a kill me.
Honey? Honey? Honey?
Margaret, me say them people here. Every time them send me message about Christmas. Christmas. Them don't realize that we never reply on Christmas yet. Them not learning.
Hold on.
Them not learning.
I have a great idea for this Christmas. I was thinking that we could help somebody for this Christmas. I'm really passionate about that. I've always wanted to do something like that. But
Margaret.
you're not wearing your hat.
Margaret, help somebody for this Christmas. Margaret,
Honey.
listen to me now.
Honey, we have
Help.
money.
Help is like something like this in Margaret. When you see, I the same people that call me to tell me Merry Christmas.
Alright, fine.
Help. Listen to me now, Margaret. Help is something like this.
Honey, we can do something great this Christmas.
What kind of help you want to give somebody so?
I can feel it in my bones.
Margaret, come on, Margaret.
No,
come
honey.
on, man.
Honey, really, like seriously. I know you don't like Christmas, but you don't like helping others either.
Margaret, I like to help others, you know. But
Okay.
when time it's necessary and I see it needed,
Honey, we need to do
Christmas
something.
drains you.
We have the money to do it. We have savings.
Margaret, yes, I know we got our
I'm really
savings.
passionate about this. I want to help somebody this Christmas.
You want to help somebody?
Yes.
See, you insist, you know. You see, as you insist like that, Margaret.
So you say yes?
Yes, you can help somebody. But Margaret, it's
No,
not
don't
gonna
put-
be anything too big, you know. It mustn't be anything too big, man, because you get excited over some little stuff sometimes. I gotta wonder.
Honey.
It's Christmas, and it's just a day. Every day is Christmas for me. Like, every day. You can help somebody today, you know, don't have to, you know.
You're always salty. Honey, thank you for being with me.
Who's sad?
Yo!
Mrs. Robinson,
Yes?
can I get a minute, please?
Oh, Paul?
Yeah, man, Paul.
You know, it sound like that damn security boy.
Oh, God.
Him licky, I love him belly, you know,
Honey,
Margaret.
stop. Stop.
Oh, God.
Yes? Yes, Paul? Yes, what's up, Paul?
Yeah, man, I was just in the neighborhood and doing my rounds and I said, let me just stop by and check if you're okay.
Yeah, man, everything is fine.
Everything
Everything is
good?
fine. Yeah, man, everything
man.
is fine. You want some milk and cookies?
Yeah, man, that would be nice.
Alright, I'm coming. I'm gonna get some.
Alright. I don't really want it, I don't want to say no kind of way. You should give me this salt cookie and salt milk. Miss Robinson, hurry up there, cause me have to go back for the job, please.
Okay, yeah, man. Here you go. It's not going to. Come
Yeah,
on.
man, you can't hold you or something. Me just take out for your cookie.
Okay, alright.
Yeah, me just want to.
They're still warm, so you love it. Delicious, right?
Yeah, man, but I don't want to drink too much because I don't want my belly run me, you know. Because I kind of lactose intolerant.
When since? Last year you wasn't lactose intolerant.
Boy, I don't know, but since my wife have baby look like say, me catch baby fever or something, I don't know. But anyway, thanks again, you hear?
It's alright.
Alright, so Merry Christmas again, yeah, man?
Okay, same to you, darling.
Alright, yes, man.
Watch Jackson I call me see me at it. Me no say Merry Christmas, you want to tell me? Why? Me can't bother. Too much people, man. You give way up, belly and your ribs.
Honey? Honey?
Margaret.
I'm going to the shop. You want anything?
Oh, yes, you can carry back, you know them, something that the tea bag, something make you feel gassy.
Okay, honey. I'll be back. Oh, thank God for Christmas.
Miss, excuse me. Me not really mad, but because me not work and like me not know if to stay. We just a beg something for eat. Nothing much, like something small.
Oh my. So you're not mad, you're homeless?
Yeah,
So
me not mad.
So how you become homeless? What happened?
my mother put me out because she find new boyfriend. And my father, I'm gone to England. I'm get one work, but work not so. Like the more I'm overwork and them no want pay me extra because them want to use people, and then it really hard. Like me I go get one job, but me just need like a little help. Like sometimes I don't really know what to do, you know. But we just need help, miss. Please, me I beg you, miss. Please.
It's alright, it's alright. It is so sad. It is so sad. I am going to help you.
You buy more ambula, miss.
It's okay. I have something better in mind. I have something better in mind. It's Christmas and we're preparing dinner and all of that.
Yes,
I
miss.
would like you to come and have some.
Miss, you gonna bring me by your house, miss, to
Yes.
have dinner?
Definitely.
But I'm dirty, miss.
It's okay. I have clothes that I can give you.
So you really gonna help me, miss?
Oh my God.
You gonna help me, miss?
I'm going
Miss,
to.
thank you so much, miss.
It's
Thank
okay.
you so much, miss.
No.
Thank you so much, miss.
Sir,
thank you
it's
so much,
fine.
miss. Thank you.
It's fine. It's
Thank
fine.
you.
Get
No,
up.
but nobody ever want to
Get
help me. Everybody like them say me mad, but me no mad.
That's why it's fine.
Nothing. I just used to this.
Alright, sit here. I'm going to get something for you to eat.
Thank you very much.
What you would like to eat?
Anything.
Anything?
Yes, ma'am.
Don't move, I am coming.
Yes, ma'am.
Honey? Hi, honey. Where's honey? I'm not seeing. Honey? I don't know where my husband.
Thank you very much.
It's okay, man. You sure you're alright with that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Alright, I'm going to see if I get my husband. I don't know where he is. Honey! Where's this man? Honey? 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 Where's this man? Honey? Honey? Whoa, you're finished already? My God.
Yes, miss. The cookie.
Look at your
Cookie
mouth.
tastes really nice and the milk tastes good.
Okay, thank you. You are really hungry, man.
Thanks, miss.
Oh, there you are. I was looking for you all along. Honey, guess what?
Yeah, smiling, sir. Anytime I see you smiling, say you're up to something.
No.
What you up to, Margaret?
Well, matter of fact, just come. Let me show you. Honey, these, what's your name again, honey?
Skinny.
Oh.
They call me Skinny. Skinny, my name.
Okay, so this is Skinny. You remember I told you this morning that I wanted to do something special for Christmas. When you stop looking at me like that.
Margaret,
Yes, honey.
who is this in my house?
I'm just trying to help.
Help!
He's-
Margaret, this man looks like...
Stop it. He has feelings.
Margaret, come here.
Honey.
You need to talk. Margaret,
Honey.
who is that in my house?
behaving this way?
Who is that in my house? That man looks like a madman, Margaret.
Take time and talk.
What do you mean take time and talk?
He has feelings, he's not mad, he's a homeless. He's homeless and I'm just trying to help.
Homeless? Talk to me straight. Homeless?
Remember, this morning you promised me that you're going to come on board with me trying to help somebody?
Yes, but me never know you would have take up a madman.
Stop calling the man mad. He's not mad, he's
Don't you
homeless.
see him? Margaret, listen to me. Margaret. It's Christmas.
And it's time for giving.
You don't have to give so much.
It's
Wait,
one person.
What are you giving? What's he here
Did
doing?
I bring a whole village come here?
What is he here doing? That's what I want to know.
I'm going to clean him up and give him some food. Listen, I gave the man some milk and cookies. The man ate like a cow.
You give the man the sweet milk when you make? You giving another man your milk?
He's a person.
Margaret, listen to me. Sometimes, just stop. Listen to me. Sometimes,
Oh my God.
you see people, you don't take up their problems. Sometimes, them don't really want no help. Them did ask for help, you
He
know?
wants the help. No, listen, if you're going to help, you help. If not, you just go somewhere. Excuse
Margaret,
me.
listen, I'm not going to tell you that I'm not going to help you. Listen, I'm not going to say I'm not helping you. I am helping you. You're my wife and you said you wanted to help somebody this Christmas. And you carry somebody in the place where I don't really know him sending
Oh
when
my
sending him skinny.
God, you're back at it again.
No, but listen, Margaret, you can't help him, but that's a lot. Well, that is a lot, you know.
What
Make sure
is
you
a
know what
lot?
I'm doing. Him.
Honey, it's fine. Let's go. Remember we have dinner to go to this evening. You don't remember?
I remember your grandma dinner.
Yes, so come on, we need to get the thing. And I have to sweeten this desire.
But Margaret, you really feel like
You need to stop. We don't have any time here. Listen, go and get ready. I am going to sweeten the thing and get my cake. So just go and get ready. Alright, so skinny, right?
Skinny man.
Skinny, okay. This is a rag and a soap. You're going to, there's a little pipe around the side here. Just go and wash off. And I'll get some clothes for you, alright?
Yes, man.
That's okay?
Yes, man. It's a lot. Thanks, man.
It's okay, man. Just take your time. Let me help you with the grade here. Skinny,
Yes, ma'am.
you finish?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, come for these clothes.
Thanks, miss.
Okay.
That's it.
Oh, hi, Angela. Girl. Hi, darling. What's up?
Oh, what's going on in here?
Oh, don't mind him. He's just
So what you
a
are
homeless man I'm trying to help. You know, I
Mhm.
want to do something special this Christmas. So where you going?
We're going up the road up to go to the shop.
Okay, you're going to shop.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So where is a homeless man here look so? What you do with him? Where you give him clothes for?
I'm trying to help. It's Christmas. It's time for giving.
That's true. It's true. A long time now. Yes, it's in the spirit of giving. Not true?
Yes, it is.
Yes. So what you say you're going to do for them?
Oh, it's just him. I went out the road and he just told me that he didn't have anything to eat and anything. So I just said, okay, let I just bring him over.
So at least, you know, say even helping one person can make a difference.
Yes, and I get up this morning in that mood. I just want to help somebody. And as I go, I feel good. I feel like it's my purpose, you know.
Look at that. A difference can happen.
Oh,
You know, so me have some something when me can go really
Oh,
go dig
something?
out. No, not really like that.
oh
no.
God, Angela.
Not
Oh,
like that.
something.
Not like that. But you
He's
know,
homeless. He's still a person, but he's just homeless and he need the help, you know.
that's
so
true. You
when
make
can
me
I get
feel
this stuff?
bad.
So
You make me feel bad.
It's okay. Don't feel bad, but I don't want him to feel bad.
Mhm.
So let me ask you, when am I getting this stuff? Because it sounds good.
Yes. And you know what? It's a good thing.
Yes, it
We're
is.
going to collaborate.
Okay.
See you later.
All right, darling. Take care. Yeah.
Skinny,
Yes, ma'am.
you finished?
Yes, ma'am.
You're not coming inside.
Yes, ma'am.
Come inside, man, and come out of the sun. Come on. You like it? Fits well? It's tight. But this is not tight.
But I love it. It's nice.
It looks good on you. You look like an big teddy bear.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, darling. You can come inside.
Yes,
You're clean. Your belly full. You want something more to eat?
yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Come on, man. Come inside. All right, no man, you sit there. Yeah, sit down there.
Thanks, ma'am.
Yeah, man, you're welcome. It's all right. It's my pleasure. What is this in your ear? What's your ear? Oh,
Ma'am, I really appreciate it, you know.
yeah, man, I know. It's all right. I'm going to catch up your hair. Is that fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Oh, Lord. You feeling better now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. It's good. My neighbor Angela, I know
Yes,
that
ma'am.
she said that she's going to get some stuff for you, alright?
I appreciate it, ma'am.
This is your year, darling. This is your Christmas. You're going to be amazing.
Yes, ma'am. I love Christmas, you know, ma'am.
Oh, you
Ma'am,
do?
Christmas, I get a lot of things, ma'am.
Uh-huh.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, that is-
People always help me on Christmas. I get a whole heap of stuff, ma'am.
Oh, really?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh. That means you're used to this then, man.
Yes, ma'am. Every Christmas, mama, someone help me out.
Oh.
Someone are really nice. They help me out all the time, ma'am.
Okay. And I'm going to tell Pastor about you. You hear me?
Yes,
And
ma'am.
he
I
have
can
a
go
lot-
to church, ma'am.
Yes, he can go to church. And also, he has a lot of connects. So I
Yes,
know that
ma'am.
he can get you a job, alright?
Yes,
What
ma'am.
kind of job you would want?
Any job, ma'am, as long as I can work, ma'am, and get paid, ma'am.
Okay, that's very good.
Yes, ma'am.
That's lovely. I love to hear that. I'm going to talk to him first thing in the morning, alright?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright. And I'm going to see if I can follow up on Angela and her offers that she said she have. Is it tight?
No, ma'am, it's alright, ma'am.
Alright. So I'm going to get you a little snack. It's not going to be too much.
It's
Right.
okay, ma'am. I
We're
appreciate
leaving in
it,
a
ma'am.
few. Honey, are you ready? Anyways, I hope this is alright.
Yes, ma'am. It's
You
alright,
look, you
ma'am.
look very lovely, you know.
Yes, ma'am.
And suppose I tell you this is my husband's favorite pajama.
It's not gonna matter you, ma'am.
No man, it's fine. It's alright, alright?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Alright, take it easy. I'm gonna get something for you.
Thanks.
Give me a second.
Thank you, ma'am.
That's alright. Skinny,
Yes, ma'am.
you eat banana?
Yes, ma'am.
How many you like? 1, 2, 3?
Any amount, ma'am.
Oh.
Yes, ma'am.
You want some water or juice?
Both of them, ma'am.
Oh, Jesus. Alright. Okay. Alright. Alright, so,
It's only one, ma'am.
it's only, you want more?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, Jesus. You. Alright. This most can do. I don't think you're going to need more than this.
Thanks, ma'am.
It's okay. It's alright, man. You don't have to keep thanking me. It's fine. I'm telling you, it's fine. It's my pleasure.
Yes, ma'am.
Alright.
Thanks, ma'am.
Oh, Lord mercy. I said you need to stop thanking me over and over.
Yes, ma'am.
I have a feeling I'm going to really like you. First thing in the morning, as I said before, I'm going to call Pastor.
Yes, ma'am.
It's alright, man. Everything is going to be okay, alright?
Yes, ma'am.
I promise you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Thanks, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Where, honey? Honey? Why are you taking so long? Honey?
Hello, Margaret.
You're not ready?
Margaret, surely you have listened to me. I'm sure. No, Margaret, but listen, I'm not feeling the vibe for that man. I'm not feeling to the dinner.
You're saying this again every time?
I'm not feeling to go to the dinner.
Honey, come on, man. You can't disappoint grandma like this.
I see your
We've
grandma.
been planning this all year. She's been planning this all year. Come on.
Okay, Margaret. Come in love you, you know.
Huh.
Come in love you, you know.
You don't have a choice.
Just be coming. I'm done.
Yeah. Come on, we need to go. I'm going to jump in the shower real quick and then I'll come. Alright? Yeah. Just stop.
Boy, I just have a strong feeling. Just don't feel the vibe. Just feel off.
Oh, hi, Skinny. You alright?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, Miss Margaret, ma'am, your husband dropped money, ma'am.
Oh, rotted.
Yeah, it fall out of his pocket, ma'am.
Oh, thank you, Skinny.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much. I wonder why you not pay attention to what they do. You sure you're alright though?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright then, I'm going in the shower now, you hear?
Yes, ma'am.
Honey, I keep telling you to keep your hat on. Don't make that face.
Margaret.
Anyways, guess what just happened?
What just happened, Margaret?
The same madman that you say is a madman just found this. Why you have to be so damn careless?
Margaret,
Policeman.
Not just because somebody
Oh.
did a generous thing makes him perfect or trustworthy.
Honey, stop. Just stop. You're always just negative, negative, negative. Just thank God. What if it was on the road?
I fall it 4 times. 4 times, I'm going to show you. So, I
Well, I guess this is the point where you're going to stop with this foolishness.
Mark,
Clearly, he can be trusted.
he must stay in here. Eh?
I'm just gonna let him stay on the veranda. That's alright.
Well, yes.
Okay, then what more? What you arguing about now? Remember, you told me you're going to help me.
Margaret, I'm going to put on your clothes, Margaret. It's so hot. Let's get going. Let's get going, Margaret. Put on your clothes, man.
You just always stop it. Skinny.
Yes, ma'am.
You know we're going out, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright,
I'm
so
going out to ma'am.
no, you're not going.
Oh.
Me and my husband is going. You know we're going to Christmas dinner, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So I've decided to give you a spare key. Reason being, anything you want in the fridge, you can go ahead and eat it or drink it, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Here you go. No, you know my husband, he'll get upset and all of that, so I can't
Yes,
leave your
ma'am.
house, unfortunately. So you'll have to stay outside on the veranda until I get back.
Yes,
Whenever
ma'am.
you open anything, the grill, anyone at the door, then you open, that can open anyone at the door. So
Yes,
anyone you open, please close the door. I cannot take my husband, alright?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, now, you know already, you can eat and drink whatever you want, just close the door.
Yes, ma'am.
Alright? Because I don't want my husband getting upset. You know how he can be already, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright. So, you're alright differently?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay then. So, I'm gonna get ready because I have to go.
Yes, ma'am.
Alright.
So I must stay on the veranda, ma'am?
Yes, you can stay in the veranda because we're leaving right now.
Yes, ma'am.
Alright.
Thanks, ma'am.
Okay.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you
Honey, I'm coming, honey.
we wish
Hurry up, man.
Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy New Year.
What a bombshell. A cheer. What are you going on now? Madman. Madman. Christmas tree are hot, so for chew. Watch it. Watch it. Basil. Right up. Ho 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 ho! Merry Christmas! But madman, well, no, I go on in here tonight. True. I look 3 bites of it, true.
Mrs. Robinson? Mrs. Robinson?
Who that?
A Paul, man.
Paul. Paul.
Yeah, man.
Who you again?
Me, if you ask who you, I'm me the security for the place. I'm first, may I see you.
Skinny man, Miss Robinson cousin.
Skinny.
Yeah. Come inside, man. You want a beer? Oh, yeah, we're not talk to.
I'm not supposed to drink for the job, but I'm not take one, man.
Yeah, man, I can't come in.
Yes, man, you come in.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
True. Yeah, man. Oh, so I whole life scheme.
Yeah, man, I'm a secure scheme. I'm Mr. Robinson.
Man, cheers. Then go on a family dinner, you know. You can't bother with the whole family thing, because sometimes, especially old people in chat for no till the morning, then chat for all when they turn up and down in a brief. All kind of embarrassing situation. You understand?
I'm not thirsty, but
Yeah, man.
I'm back on the work.
Just stay, yeah, man.
Yeah, man, if you hear anything and see anything, just...
Yeah, man, I look out for you, man.
Yeah, man. Alright.
Must have
My name, my number supposed to write on the fridge.
By
Emergency number.
Oh,
Security.
your number the by fridge.
Yeah, man,
I
security.
simple thing that I show it, man. You know, I make you know how I go. Alright, respect my family. Bless up.
Yeah, man.
Bless up.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Grandma.
We wish you a Merry Christmas.
Really great in the kitchen. But yet, you don't want to go to Christmas dinner every year. You don't believe in Christmas, this and that. See?
Listen,
All the curry goes to your teeth.
you're too awful, you know, but listen, Margaret. You know that we can celebrate Christmas at our home. We don't have to go out and about.
Honey, just stop the man. Okay, we can do Christmas anywhere. If you want to do it home, no problem. Once you're in the Christmas spirit, honey.
Margaret, Christmas is about love and joy, right?
Yes, honey.
So seeing as it's about love and joy, what do me and you give up? Love and joy to each other.
Oh, Lord, honey.
So we can
You
spend
want
it in
this
our
again?
house, at our home, or at our humble establishment.
Basically, you just did it. You just celebrate Christmas. And
You
see?
like skinny girl?
No. What? What happened?
I've been gone.
Let's go inside. Honey, hurry now.
Margaret,
You're moving like you not just eat.
my belly.
Just hurry.
Margaret,
Just come.
hold on. Take your time, take your time. You're gonna break your nose.
Come here.
Margaret, come here.
Come man, I don't like all your moves. Come.
Margaret, just hold on now, Margaret. You're just rushing me like that, man. Where skin you could have gone? You see it?
I see what? What I see? I told him to close the door. And that's what he looks like he did.
Close what door, Margaret?
I left the key here. What do you mean?
Don't tell me you give that madman a key to my house.
Don't say that. He's human being. He's just homeless and he wants some help.
Margaret,
I tell you not to look down on people, you know. Don't say that, man. He's human.
Margaret, I'm alright.
so Margaret, why Skin is inside and leaving the door open? Why open? Huh?
Why is the door open?
Margaret, why is my voice echoing, Margaret?
Honey, did you really like it? Huh?
Of course I think they like it.
It's alright. What's going on?
Margaret, hold on a minute. Let me turn on my phone light.
Honey, what is going on? Oh, Jesus. What did I do?
Margaret,
No, this is not for you.
you give a madman key to my house, Margaret?
Honey, I
Margaret,
was just trying to help.
Margaret, tell me, Margaret. Are you thinking straight, Margaret? Where's my furniture, Margaret?
But you have savings.
And if you go overnight, Margaret. 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 Where's my shoes, Margaret? Margaret, where's my shoes?
That is damn shoes.
Margaret, that's my favorite Nike.
That is damn shoes. I get everything they want shoes. What the big deal?
Give the madman a key to my house. Where's my clothes?
Honey, I am so sorry. Look how much things for those here that put in those shoes.
Margaret. Margaret. Margaret, you see what I mean about Christmas? Margaret. Margaret, what is this? Margaret! 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 Come here. Come here, Margaret. You need to see this, Margaret. Margaret? Margaret.
What is that?
Margaret.
What is going on here?
Margaret, this is the letter, Margaret. Look at the top.
I have seen it. I am not blind.
Dear Mr. and Mrs. Robinson, I must say thank you for everything that you have done for me. You know, I must tell you thanks for the fridge and the stove and the settee. My wife will love the settee. Trust me, she will love the settee. But Mrs. Robinson, you don't know how to bake cake, you know. The cake is salty. Next time you put a tubes of salt in the cake, you can't make the cake so salty, you know. And you guys must live better. You guys just argue every minute. You must live with love. You understand? And thank you very much, Mrs. Robinson. I appreciate you a lot. Thank you very much.
It's salt, man. What kind of salt cake is that? That's dry too. Man. Salted cake. Merry Christmas to me. So for you.
The audacity.
Margaret, you see what I'm reading right here?
Yes. You have the audacity on top of cake salt. Ungrateful.
Well, at least you know it's out.
Really? Why you being a hypocrite? Why you being a hypocrite, man?
Margaret.
After 10 years, you're just telling me this? Honey, really?
Margaret, I love your cake, you know. But sometimes I tell you that your food might have a taste you get grumpy and upset, Margaret.
Honey, you should have told me.
Margaret, come on. Margaret.
Let us see what is this mindset.
Margaret, you see what I mean, Margaret? Christmas.
This man is ungrateful.
Christmas is that time, you know. But they say Christmas is that time to give love and affection and joy, Margaret. Look, this is not love and affection and joy, Margaret.
Honey, I am sorry. I am really sorry, honey. I am not going to do any foolish thing like this again. I am so sorry.
Well, at least you learn from this mistake, Margaret.
I am so sorry, honey. Okay, take it easy now, man. I was just trying to help somebody.
I understand, Margaret.
And honey, my cake really started for you.
Well, and I'm not giving no pressure, so.
Aww. And I thought that you still love me, honey.
Of course I love you. Margaret, you're my wife, Margaret. Come on. Come on, Margaret.
I love you, see, honey.
Margaret, can't see your face, man. Margaret.
You're going to like me.
I'm done. Sorry. Listen, mistletoe. Let's kiss under this mistletoe.
I love you, see, honey. I love you. We can't let this ring on Christmas. What by the way? Where are we sleeping tonight?
Why? Come on. As long as I have you. What's my Christmas gonna be room?
I love you.
Oh. I'm sleeping right there tonight. Right there. Take it down, mommy.
Lord, I am still weak because this is dead dog.
Mark, take it down.
I'm so guilty. It won't happen again, I promise.
Hello. Got each other.
Ah, the want is each other.